Kia ora everyone and welcome to this flip video on identifying 10 more or 10 less using place value with numbers up to 1000. So just remember that place value is the value of a digit or a single number based on where it is in a number. Each place in a number has a different value. The further the digit is to the left, the bigger its value. So if there's a number in the hundreds column, it's bigger than the ones column. Okay. Also remember that the word more means an increase and the word less means subtraction. That's going to be important for us to know when we're working out 10 more or 10 less. Let's have a look at a problem. So if we're given the question, when we're given questions like these, we can figure out the answer quickly by looking at the place value of the number. In this number, 237, we know that 2 is in the hundreds place, 3 is in the tens, and 7 is in the ones. So when the question asks for 10 more, we can just look at one column. Remember that more means an increase, so that number's going to get bigger. Which column do you think we should look at? The tens place, that's correct, because it's asking for only 10 more, so the tens place. So the answer, oh, Miss Grace has put the answer wrong here. The answer would actually be 247 as an increase. Let's look at another question. This one asks, what is 10 less than 237? So now we know that when the question is asking for a tardy 10 or even 100, we can just look at the digit in the trendsetter house. So the question asks for 10 less or taking away. We can look in the tens column and just change that number by 10. As we know, the zeros disappear when the number is put together. So we can actually just change the number from a 3 to a 2. So now you know how to identify 10 more or 10 less using place value with numbers up to 1000. Remember that you can do this in the ones column, tens, hundreds, even in the thousands column when you get super clever. It all is the same. Good luck!